Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Boss. So last night we were watching some Pewdiepie.
Like always, every night we have to update ourselves with the new Pewdiepie videos.
Yeah, and you know, after his fail at making Swedish pancakes, we decided that we kind of want to try out his Swedish hot dogs. Yeah, so basically it's hot dogs with mash on.
Pretty much,
yeah.
With ketchup and what's that a thing?
Mustard.
Mustard.
But naturally, because we're South African, we're gonna do the same thing but put a little bit of a South African twist on it as well.
It's gonna use chutney.
Yeah, we're gonna put relish on.
Chutney.
And we're gonna put vors on instead of like a sausage. But we're gonna do the normal one too, just to like compare how awesome ours is. So yeah, let's see if we can do this.
Okay, step one, we're gonna add our potatoes to the water. Yep, always I must make a mess. This is to make our mash with.
Okay, so while the potatoes are boiling, we're gonna fry up some onions to make some relish. So I like adding a little bit of salt and pepper, and then also a little bit of sugar to my relish, just to make it a little bit sweeter, and it helps with making everything a little bit golden. And then when you're finished with all your spices, add in some chopped up tomatoes. Okay, so this is where my secret comes in, and where Brian will finally be satisfied. I like adding a little bit of chutney to my relish as well, just because it gives it that little something. Okay, so now that the relish is pretty much done, we're gonna add the vors to it. Pretty much sausage, guys, just it's very good. It's like minced meat in here.
Oh, this is what we used to.
Yeah, this is, if you're South African, you know this and you eat this. So I'm just gonna add this in here to cook. We're gonna use these ingredients only for the
South African one.
Yeah, the South African one. So let's prep some things for the
Swedish?
I want to say German. The Swedish one.
Yeah, definitely not German.
Yes.
Okay, it's now to add our sausages. We got the Piediepie version. Just fits. Let's flop it in there. So now we're gonna grill it for a little while. Guys, this is our buns. This is all we could find.
Yeah, we're gonna need like we should just put a whole one on there for comparison's sake.
I'm gonna do it.
I think people will enjoy it.
Okay, like we said, this is our little buns. I see Pewdiepie is also a man of culture. I also open my buns the same way.
We don't own forks. We don't own knives.
No, it's nice when you have thumbs. So here's our first bun. Okay, so while our boerewors rolls is cooking, also our what do you call sausages, I'm gonna start mashing our potatoes.
While he's mashing, I'm just gonna add a little butter in there. Speeds up the process. And just a tiny little bit of milk. That's a tiny little bit too much, but okay.
Oh, that's fine. It's nice and fluffy at least.
Yeah. We made the joke of like maybe we should make some pap and put it on the boerewors one, just because, you know, South Africa. But I'm not gonna eat that.
I'm not a big fan of pap.
Yeah.
I think this is nice and fluffy enough.
Okay, so we're pretty much done. We just kind of need to assemble everything.
Okay, we just buttered our buns because we're not animals.
Yeah. Who eats bread without butter, people? Like, just don't eat bread. Okay. Step number 1.
Piediepie.
Piediepie. That looks ridiculous.
Shameless little bun. Okay, it's now time to add our mash. I don't think that's enough mash. We need more mash.
That's too much mash, man.
Pewdiepie had like a...
Yeah, he had like 5 potatoes on one bun.
I think that's a more Swedish look.
Yeah, he's the expert, you know, after all. That's where the fame started. And so the next step would be just to add some mustard and tomato sauce. Mustard.
Okay, now for the tomato sauce. Maybe a little bit
This
more.
kind of looks good despite the grossness that's going on.
Doesn't look bad.
Who puts potato on bread though? Swedish people. I love it's gonna be like a scam. Pewdiepie's like, no, nobody eats it this way.
Okay, it's now time for the boerewors roll, a South African one.
I'm excited about this. This is dinner.
So there's the boerewors.
Even if I have to say so myself, I like cut this perfectly, I feel. Okay, so this is where the difference comes in, our relish.
Relish or smoor, if you're Afrikaans.
Yes. Same.
Just a little bit more. And now we're just gonna add some mash because we have left, and we can throw in a little bit of Swedish mixed with South Africa.
Yeah, we said we're gonna do the essay version of the Swedish version, so too many essays, tongue twisters.
A little bit more. Ta-da! Okay, time for the taste test.
Yeah, he's gonna be like the civilized one and stand with his back to the camera while he's cutting it. I'm just gonna like shove the whole thing in my mouth. So Swedish first.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste the Swedish one
This is why
first.
there's too much mash on here, man. Just look at this. Let's see if I can open my mouth as well.
Cheers. I like it.
Why is it actually good?
Yeah, that's actually good.
Didn't anticipate that it would be good.
Like the mustard and everything, it actually works. It works well.
I'm just enjoying myself now.
This is really not bad. I expected it to be very bland. But the tomato sauce and ketchup.
Yeah.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce and ketchup on there.
Mustard. It's actually nice.
Okay.
Boerewors the whole time.
Yes, this is always a winner. But there's mash on, so let's see what happens. So I kind of want to put like some tomato sauce and mustard on there though. The relish is like very good with this.
The relish and the mash actually mixes quite well. It's like sweet with a little bit of a bland taste, but it's good.
We appreciate you. Would have thought like we'd make hot dogs pretty much for a video. Yeah, so I think this is the first time we actually stopped a video, like ate everything we made and then shot the outro. That was really good.
We still have more, so we're gonna eat some more also.
Yes. And we don't have like Edgar or Maya to put in a shot here for cuteness, but we do have Nero, and she's like pretty damn cute, so just enjoy this. It's raining outside, so she's like very upset about life.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked our video, drop us a like and drop a comment and even subscribe if you feel like it.
Yeah, let us know what do you do in your country that's a little bit more different than the norm that we can try. We'd love to see what food you guys have out there.